Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will present with a minute. I can show you my slide. Okay, this is this is my slide. With, today I will present about the title optimization of MSI accuracy value measurement applying pulse alarm rate in forecasting of fuzzy time series based on percentage change. And then my name's Alfredo Lubis from Politeknik Negeri Medan in Medan, Indonesia. Okay, the first introduction. Forecasting is technique of calculates to analyze in qualitative and quantitative approach in order to predict future event using reference of past data. Basically, the process of forecasting results in carry out by comparing the result of the forecasting with the reality that occur in the hope that forecasting technique produce optimal accuracy value. Forecasting accuracy value can be calculated using MSI, mean absolute percentage error, or MAPE, and other formulas. Based on previous research that can be conducted both in forecasting using fuzzy time series and measurement of accuracy, there had not been a discussion in testing MSI formula and the false alarm rate formula. Hence, it is necessary to optimize the MSI calculate when measuring accuracy. The research method, I have dataset, forecasting step. Okay, the first about dataset. The dataset use the gold price data obtained from gold.org/goldhub/data/gold price. The data was held from January 1st, 2010 to July 31, 2020. Totally, I have 2761 data. And this price was the price of gold in occurs in EDR currency. Okay, forecasting step. If you see the figure, I have 5 steps from dataset and then until end. From figure, it can be seen that the research design is based on the following step. First, collection of dataset. Second, sharing training data and testing data. And the third, perform forecasting using time series. And the live data training, consists data training based on the time series, and the right perform data testing based on the period of time in conducting forecasting. It is carried out onto pattern. The first pattern is test on the COVID-19 inside, and the second pattern is testing in absence of factors that affect economy movement. And 4, calculate of error value. 5, calculate MSI, and then modify MSI with false alarm rate. Okay, and then the result and discussion. The result of the descriptive data were based on the following table: descriptive and value. Descriptive have data amount, moving, minimum, and average mean. Data amount I have 2761, maximum 2x, 6x, 7x, 38.57, minimum 99 to 9330, average 161634 to 0 to 5. And then it can be set the gold price data were in the form of daily data from 1 January 2010 to 31 July 2020 consist of 2761 data with the loss value of the 99 to 9330 point and the high value of 2868. And then a friends of 161634, and then data were those of the price of gold in IDR or rupiah. And then you can gold price, the figure gold price in here. Plot time series is figure show in the indefinite fluctuation of gold price data and did not show a certain pattern. This could be caused by unpredictable factors such as economic conditions that could be connected by war or would even the current COVID-19 attack. The result discussion and change-based fuzzy time series measurement. The first in the set of universe, I have min, max, have value D1, D2, minimum, maximum, and second, the purification state is of the lower bound and based on the number of interval form as many as 8, then A1, A2, A3 until A8, where the max mean value were formed into A class. Third, purification and FR duplication state was based on the names of interval form. The result of function of the gold price data were denoted by linguistic number that can be seen in the table. In the left, fuzzification, and the right, linguistic value. A1 about drastically discrete, A2 very discrete, A3 not until A8 drastically increased. The physician of forecasting value process. There are two stages in the physician process. The first is to find middle value at its internal, and the second to calculate the forecast value. B, about forecasting pattern due to the inevitability of the woods economy. The early forecasting process in change-based fuzzy time series measurement of the result of forecasting gold data began with the setting of the forecasting time series system based on the change. You can see data from January until July, actual and forecasting. Okay, in the table. If you see the figure forecasting data from the gold that with the first pattern, the figure is a comparison plot of the actual data and forecasting data from the gold data with the first pattern. The figures show that the data plot of the gold price forecast for each period have a value that were not much different from the actual data. And then forecasting pattern with the stable wood economy. The early forecasting process in change-based fuzzy time series measurement the result of the forecasting pattern with the stable wood economy are shown in the table. Then, if you look at the picture, series 1 and series 2, the feature is comparison plot of the actual data and the data from forecasting gold data with a second pattern where the color of person in the releaser of forecasting and the blue in actual data. The figures show that the data plot of the gold price forecast for its period as a value that not much different from the actual. And then the conclusion, based on the result and discussion, the research, we can draw conclusion in the first pattern. Forecasting use chain-based time series in the presence of world economy instability such as the COVID-19 pandemic. The forecasting process when the well and good and accuracy value calculated by MSI of 0.0538 and the modify MSI measurement technique use the false alarm rate so that the MSI result were 0.0119. In the second pattern, forecasting use the change-based time series with the stability of the world economy. The forecasting process was running well as well is getting as accuracy value calculated by MSI of 0.1508 and the modify MSI measurement technique use the false alarm rate so that the MSI result was 0.546. Forecasting uses change time series can affect the amount of accuracy based on the amount of training data. Thus, the more training data, the smaller the accuracy value was obtained. While the less training data, the greater the accuracy value. This is about reference. Thanks. I already finished my presentation about the optimization of MSI accuracy value measurement, apply false alarm rate in forecasting and fuzzy time series based on the presentation change. If have question, you can ask me. Thank you very much. Thank you for attendance from my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon.